Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And the star burns tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And the star burns tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to
Happy birthday, Nora! Kumusta kayo lahat dyan? Ano ba ang buhay-buhay natin ngayon dyan? Ito kami, ganito pa rin. Kumusta kayo lahat ulit dyan? Thank you, happy birthday ulit. Thank you. God bless. God bless.
Hi Lola Nara, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi, Tita Nora. Happy birthday. God bless. Ingat-ingat po lagi. Enjoy your day. More birthday. Thank you. Love you.
Hi Bes, it's your birthday again. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Many more birthdays. God bless you always. Miss you. Love you. Enjoy your day. So, happy birthday, BFF Nora. Good health, more birthdays to come. Sana masaya ka sa inyong kaarawan. Ito lahat ng aking ang grupo. At kilala lahat yan yung Tracy. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama Nora. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama Nora. Ingat mo palagi.
Happy birthday, Lola Nora!
Wishing you good health.
Wishing you more birthdays and more blessings. And I hope you enjoy your special day, Lola. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy Al! God bless po!